Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the latest high-end TWS offering from Huawei, the FreeBuds Pro 4, marked a significant evolution in the brand's true wireless earbuds lineup. These earbuds combine cutting-edge audio technology, promising enhanced functionality, superior sound quality, and improved user experience. Let's dive in what sets these earbuds apart. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Let's start with the design and build. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4 exudes sophistication, embodying Huawei's signature premium aesthetics with color options like obsidian black, snow white, and spruce green. Each earbud is impressively lightweight at just 5.8 grams, making them ideal for extended use without discomfort. The charging case complements this sleek design, weighing only 47 grams, and offers a polished finish that feels both durable and elegant. Additionally, the IP54 rating ensures protection against dust and splashes, broadening their usability in various settings. A standout feature is the ceramic finish decal with a silver string accent, adding a refined texture to the earbuds and stems. The gold contour detailing on both case and the buds enhances their visual appeal, lending an air of luxury to the overall design. From my first impression, these earbuds strike an excellent balance between being lightweight and premium looking, making them a style statement for any occasion. So guys, what do you think of the design? And which color catches your eye the most? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's move on to the audio quality. The audio experience is powered by dual drivers, an 11mm quad magnetic dynamic driver that can produce bass down to 14 Hz, and a micro UHF planar diaphragm responsible for treble up to 48 kHz. This combination delivers balanced and immersive sound profile with precise highs and rich lows. The addition of dynamic EQ ensures the earbuds adapt seamlessly to various audio genres, catering to both casual listeners and audiophiles. Huawei introduces lossless audio playback, the Huawei Sound. It can transmit up to 2.3 megabits per second, 48 kHz, 24-bit, thanks to the Kirin A2 chip, along with supports for high-resolution codecs like SBC, AAC, LDAC, and L2HC 4.0 for Harmony OS or EMUI users, basically a high-end Huawei smartphones. So, whether you're streaming music or engaging in conference calls, the sound quality remains top-notch. This TWS also supports intelligent dynamic ANC. The active noise cancellation is enhanced by AI algorithm, delivering up to 100 dB of noise reduction, while wind noise cancellation functions effectively even at speed at 10 meters per second. For calls, the earbuds use 4 microphones and reverse bone conduction sensor, or the VPU, to capture voice with remarkable clarity. One of my favorite features of the FreeBuds Pro 4 is the head motion control. This innovative functionality allows you to answer calls by simply nodding your head up and down twice, or reject calls by nodding left to right twice, offering a truly hands-free and convenient experience. Additionally, the earbud supports a variety of intuitive gestures, like pinch once to answer or end calls, tap either buds to play pause music or calls, pinch to toggle between ANC modes, and swipe up or down on the stem to adjust the volume. A particularly handy feature, plus it supports dual device connection. This thoughtful controls and connectivity makes the FreeBuds Pro 4 incredibly user-friendly and versatile. Now, the battery performance of the FreeBuds Pro 4 is equally impressive. Each earbuds is equipped with a 55 mAh battery, delivering up to 6.5 hours of music playback without active noise cancellation, or 4.5 hours with ANC activated. When combined with a 510 mAh charging case, the total listening time extends to a remarkable 33 hours without ANC, or 23 hours with active noise cancellation. Fully charging both the earbuds and the case takes just 1 hour and 40 minutes, while fast charging ensures minimal downtime, keeping you powered up even during intense use. This robust battery life makes the FreeBuds Pro 4 a reliable companion for all-day listening. Speaking of price, it's approximately $206. The FreeBuds Pro 4 are positioned competitively in the premium TWS market. Now, here is my final verdict. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4 redefined expectations in the TWS category with their blend of innovative features, stellar audio performance, and user-friendly design. Whether you're seeking high-quality audio, effective noise cancellation, smart gestures, and connectivity, these earbuds are a solid choice for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. Alright, that's for today's review of the latest Huawei FreeBuds Pro 4. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this kind of review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.